Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot with Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. And to do this, first let's open our settings, and here you can basically open any other app or web page that allows you to scroll down. I chose the settings as it is the quickest way, so there's two different options we can take a screenshot with. First one is to press a power key and volume down key at the same time. Here's the screenshot, and click on this pop-up icon right here. It will record the entire page. When it reaches bottom, it should automatically save into gallery. Next option for it is to open let's close the screenshot for now, and let's open gestures. And right here you should see three fingers screenshot. Make sure that it's enabled and go back. Perform the same action, go to the top of the page, and now use your three fingers like that. Hold them onto the screen and it will make the same screenshot. Click on the pop-up and it will start scrolling. And that's all of the full page screenshot options on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.